Silk rather, Vaseline, Business Mirror, Grab, Kicks Tamarind, Art Access, Farina, Salompas, Unilab, Magic Chips, Surf of course, as well as Nova, Vika, Tortillos, Neo Zip, Everrun Close-Up, and Anytime Fitness. Thank you.
So again, after you run, don't forget to join us at the Race Village. We'll have the awarding ceremonies there. We have a cool-down session. We also have, of course, an exciting raffle draw where you can win really cool prizes like the brand new motorcycle,
The refrigerator, the aircon.
at marami pang iba. Plus, again, we'll meet our top finishers. But also, you know, the Race Village is over here. Please do not fail to visit also the Rexona booth. Vince, there are really good and exciting activities at the Rexona booth, along with our sponsors booth. So after you run, your friends and your family, bring them along with you to Race Village. It's going to be loads of fun.
We also have the Run Rio booth that is over there. So again, if you want to look at the upcoming runs, if you want to start booking your runs as well, get more information at the Run Rio booth. Now, before we send you off again, please make sure you're all safe. You all have fun. We'll see you at the Race Village. This is your race. You're all winners already. All right, runners. As always, we have one question. Are you ready?
Cover your 10K!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Run Asia, East-West Back Run, the Sparkle Run, SpongeBob Run, Hulk Up Midnight Run Asia, and Galaxy Manila Marathon.
See you at those races. And you know, that's just pretty much Run Rio also on their social media pages and of course the Run Rio website.
Now, as you can see, we have some very special guests, and we have some very important people. Keep you waiting any longer. Ladies and gentlemen, give your biggest cheer for David Nicauco.
Hello, hi everyone, good morning. Congratulations to everyone at the Grace. Kamusta? Ano to, interview?
Hi, how are you?
Okay.
Ito rin, di ba parang wala nangyari, Vince.
Siyempre, Rexona, fresh talaga all day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, gusto ko yung chart pero magdala. I know, I'm sure. But how was your experience? I know, maaga ka nagising or hindi masyadong nakatulog. But overall, kamusta yung naging experience mo ngayong umagang to?
To be honest, this is my first time to join a race na run talaga. So, to my surprise saya eh. Tsaka parang everyone is parang pushing each other na, alam mo, to keep on going. So, nakakatuwa. Even like yung mga nagbabantay talagang, hey, David, go, go. So like, tuloy-tuloy lang.
So since the experience is great, perhaps may mga susunod ka bang runs? Pwede.
Of course.
Pwede.
Oo.
Next leg, magkita-kita tayo with David.
Kaya
Gusto
to.
niyo ba tumakbo with David? Here ang 10K or... yes, willing sila. 5K lang yung tinakbo nila today, pero
5K.
doble nila yan.
O 10K tayo next ha.
Yan! Invite mo naman
Wait,
sila.
so kailan yung next?
The next one, okay. Please, mark your calendars sa Manila leg kasi meron din tayong provincial legs. We're gonna be in Cagayan de Oro, Davao, and Iloilo. But in Manila, magkita-kita tayo on June 28 sa may Carino Grandstand.
Okay guys, June 28, Carino Grandstand, okay? Lahat tayo pupunta doon.
Oh, hindi pa tapos.
Ay, di ba?
August 16, Quezon City.
August 16, Quezon City. Yes.
And Makati City.
And Makati City.
September 13.
September 13.
Ayan.
Kaya dapat lahat tayo naka-Rexona.
Yun. Pero
Parang
also, David, while you're here, invite him also for the Sparkle Run. Coach Rio, malapit na yan.
Okay guys, April 30.
Ayun, April, here in May.
May 30, Sparkle Run. Yes, so kung makakasama niyo lahat ng favorite Sparkle artist niyo, sana pumunta rin ako
I
doon.
invite myself. Parang ang saya nun. Sparkle Run on May 30 here, of course, in the city of Manila. Maraming salamat, David. Thank you. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Smile, everyone. Put your fresh.
Our winners. Now, the podium finishers will be awarded by the Rexona team, so our good friends from Rexona will help with the awarding. Thank you so much for joining us. We're going to start off with the 5K category, the ladies. In third place, just for David, but also for our finishers. Alright, congratulations. Alright, move on. Gentlemen, third place, 17 minutes, 4 seconds. Arnold Villarube.
There he is. Congratulations, Arnold.
Second place, 5K, 16 minutes, 6 seconds. Dem Ajmonton. Alright, we're going to move on with our third winner. As our I think you're still looking for our second winner. Our third winner will be flashed on the screen. Bid number. Go ahead, Risa.
62484. 62484. If you're here, you want a year's supply of Rexona products.
Alright, one more time. That is 62484. 62484. If you are here, come on up.
Sana nandito pa sila. For everyone that's staying, stay stuck. We have our raffle draw coming up too after this. He's here? Hindi si David yun. Kayo naman.
Alright, well, of course, we get in touch with our Freshest Cam winner. We're going to move on to the ladies.
Yeah, let's check out the ladies. Wow! Bib number 62465.
62465. Are we here? Yes.
62465. You're the first winner.
You can come over here, please. On this side. Congratulations. While our first winner makes her way up, we also want to call on our second winner. Our second winner, once again, is 62889. 62889. If you are here, come on up. But of course, coming on stage right now is our first winner from the ladies.
Congratulations!
1 year supply of Rexona products.